Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 168 Chinese shopping app. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp and asked me to make a video tutorial about some of the common mistakes that can lead to account suspension, and I decided to make a comprehensive video about it. So if you have been using 168 Chinese shopping app for a very long time to source and ship products from China, or you are new to the 1688 sourcing, consider to stay tuned to this video and see common mistakes that can lead to account suspension or account permanently banned on 1688 Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. So I'm going to exit from my 1688 Chinese shopping app right here, and I'll go ahead and open up my WhatsApp right here. So this person here contacts me from my YouTube channel. Hello, how are you doing? I'm having trouble logging into my 1688 account. I've been following your video, but I'm still about lost. Please, can you help me in any way you can? I made some orders that are already set to ship. Other than that, I have no orders on the account. So this is the screenshot they sent to me. So this is the screenshot right here. I can't log in, just like what you see right here. And here we go. Then I said your account is frozen for serious violation. Click on this blue icon to proceed with the details on violation. In some cases, I have a lot of people that come to my DM with this particular issue right here, and a simple step-by-step guide, they were able to retrieve back their account on 1688. But in some cases, some people are not successful in the process. However, that is not the main purpose of this video. The main purpose of this video is to tell you the common mistake that can lead to this type of problem. So you have to play safe where you know already. Now let's go here. The next one here, okay, let me. So they try it out, and fortunately for this person, I have managed to log into my account after following the steps. Thank you for the direction. Subscribing right now to your channel. Do you have any video on some common mistake people make to have their account suspended? And here is the video right here. I said I will make a video about it very soon. So I'm going to explain every reason why you can have your account banned, suspended, or removed on 1688. The number one thing that can cause your account to be banned on 1688, just take your pen and write it down somewhere so you don't miss out in some of these tips right here. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Fish, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's continue. So the very one thing that can lead to your account to be banned on 1688 here is, number one here is that some people that have 1688 Chinese shopping app on their phone, whether you are using Android phone or iPhone, do not turn on VPN for each time you want to have access to your 1688 app. Because if you turn on VPN, there are some people, when they turn on VPN, they are in Africa and they will choose Europe. You are Europe today, you are in Africa tomorrow, you are in Germany next tomorrow, next upper one, you are in America. And if you are trying to turn on and off VPN each time you are accessing your 1688 account, believe me, your account will get banned, because 1688 will find it difficult to know your location. As a result of that, they will flag the account for being an inconsistent in trafficking location problem. So be careful of this. I'm not saying you should not use VPN on your phone, but each time you want to have access to your 1688 Chinese shopping app, never access with a VPN. That's one thing you need to take into consideration if you don't want your account to get banned on 1688. So the number two thing that can get your account banned or permanently deleted on 1688 is that if you are talking to supplier, no matter how the chat is, no matter how long you have been discussing anything with the supplier, never ask for a supplier WhatsApp number. I have a lot of cases like this that people go on and chat with the supplier, ask for their WhatsApp number. In a few minutes later, the account get blocked. And if you ask for WhatsApp number and your account get blocked, believe me, no matter how the number of the order you have on your account will be permanently banned, because 1688 have a kind of security detective that monitor everything you chat with the supplier. Immediately you type the word WhatsApp, your account will be blocked and you will be permanently deleted from that particular account on 1688. So this is the number 2 one I want to discuss with you. The number 3 things that can lead to your account ban on 1688 is still remain with chatting with the supplier. If you are chatting with the supplier, 1688 have so many means of payment, okay, like Alipay, MasterCard or Visa card payment, Google Pay, AliExpress payment, etc. But some people will still go ahead and ask for supplier Alipay payment code. Believe me, immediately you ask any supplier for Alipay payment code to make a transfer to their bank account direct or to their Alipay account direct, your account will be definitely blocked. Because 1688 frown at transaction outside the app. They are doing this to protect both you and the supplier. So if you want to make payment on 1688, always pay through the platform. Never ask for supplier account number. Never ask for supplier Alipay payment code or the rest. So if you do not ask any of the message, any of the questions from the supplier, you will not get blocked. So make sure that for every business transaction, remain politely and then you do not ask for external affairs. One of the external affairs is asking for WhatsApp, which I explained earlier. And the another one here is asking for Alipay for direct payment. It is highly risk and 1688 don't want that. So immediately you ask for any supplier QR code payment or their bank account in China, so believe me, you will lose that account immediately you ask for Alipay QR code payment or WeChat QR code payment. So they want about that. That's number 3 things that can lead to account ban on 1688. The very last thing I want to discuss with you that can lead to account ban on 1688 that you need to pay proper attention to is still remain chatting with supplier. Most of this violation has to do with chatting with supplier. So the very last one here is when you are chatting with the supplier and you go ahead and ask for the supplier to give you their WeChat number, you are very wrong. And immediately you just type the word WeChat, your account is gone. Believe me, they will block you. And once they block you, the account might be deleted permanently. And then once your account is deleted permanently, you are going to see something like this. So immediately you have something like this, you are under 50-50. You are likely to get the account back or you are likely to lose the account permanently. So beware of all this warning. So the number 1 warning I stand on this video here is that never use VPN each time you want to open your 1688 app. The number 2 thing here is that never ask for any supplier WhatsApp contact. Or if a supplier is asking for your WhatsApp contact, never give them an audience to give them your WhatsApp contact, which is the second thing. The third thing I explain right here in this video is that never ask for account number from any supplier or their Alipay payment code or WeChat payment code. It is against the rules of 1688. If you ask any of these 3 questions, your account will be definitely blocked. The fourth one I made mention here in this video is asking for supplier WeChat contact. It is very wrong because 1688 want everything, all the transaction, business detail should be discussed and executed on 1688. They are doing all this to protect both the buyer and the seller, and at the same time to protect the platform so that everyone will have rest of mind. Pay proper attention to these 4 key I explained in this video and you will continue to enjoy your 1688 Chinese shopping app account. It's that simple. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also if you still have any similar issues or cases about 1688 Chinese shopping app, you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.